Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Leviton smart dimmers with Alexa. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Leviton smart dimmers with Alexa, first, ensure your Leviton dimmer is installed correctly and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, download and install the My Leviton app from your device's app store. Open the My Leviton app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts in the app to add your Leviton smart dimmer to your account. Make sure your smart dimmer is powered on and within range of your Wi-Fi router during this process. Once your dimmer is added, navigate to the Settings menu in the app. Select the voice control option to enable integration with smart assistants. Choose Amazon Alexa from the list of available voice assistants. You will see a prompt to link your Leviton account with Alexa. Click on the link to be redirected to the Amazon Alexa app or website. Log into your Amazon account to grant permissions for linking. After linking is complete, return to the Alexa app. In the Alexa app, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Select that Add Device option. Choose Light and then select Leviton from the list of manufacturers. Alexa will search for your smart dimmer. Once discovered, assign a name to your dimmer that you will use with voice commands. After naming your dimmer, you can test the integration by saying, "Alexa, discover devices." After a few moments, Alexa should confirm that your dimmer is connected. To control your dimmer, use commands like, "Alexa, turn on the living room dimmer" or "Alexa." Your Leviton smart dimmers should now work seamlessly with Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.